Hello, my name is Connor. I'm one of the co-founders of Breadboard Labs, and my good friend Paul and I started Breadboard Labs to help leverage all the great stuff that's going on in terms of the availability of environmental data and technology to help people learn about their local environment, and then hopefully through that to better understand and appreciate what's going on in terms of climate change and in the environment in general. And so that led us to looking at trees and to urban forestry, and looking at this idea of using aerial and satellite imagery to get an overview of the canopy cover in a particular city, and then maybe using that to help guide ground truthing efforts and citizen science efforts to map those trees where there isn't an inventory already, or to update an inventory. And all of that's then implemented through Curio, which is our environmentally focused education and outreach platform. So we received funding from the European Space Agency to look at this and these ideas, and the Greater London Authority have been one of our key collaborators in this project. So as well as canopy cover, we also looked at vegetation cover monitoring and change detection using Sentinel-2 imagery. And all of our work has been implemented using Google Earth Engine. So this is the pipeline we developed for doing canopy analysis. There's a lot of stages, there's a lot of detail in this. I can't go into it now, but there's a link at the bottom of this slide to a document we've developed that describes our methodology and has links to all the code and everything. And here are the end kind of results of the analysis that we've done. So on the left-hand side, you can see that we have a high-resolution canopy map. So that's been produced at 25 centimeters per pixel using some high-resolution imagery that the GLA provided us with. And you can see the extent of the area that we were able to process using Google Earth Engine. At one stage, we generate 3.5 terabytes of data. And on the right-hand side here, we've got like some summary data that was generated based on this, this map, and that's been exported to Google Fusion tables. Some of the outputs of this work are that this information is going to be made available on the UK government's open data portal, which we're super, super happy about. And in the Curio platform, we developed a lot of features to let people examine inventory data without being GIS experts. We're developing a bunch of features to let people play around with this information. So people who are not GIS experts can look at the summary data, or even like look at the raw canopy data, draw polygons, do comparative analysis. And that's in work in progress, but if you guys click on that link or look at that link, you can get a sneak preview of that. Earth Engine was an absolute pleasure, especially collaborating with the GLA. We were able to share code and let them run code, and that helped with transparency and confidence. We've got loads of follow-on projects planned, including TensorFlow, which we're super excited about. So, yeah, thank you.
Any questions? It's a tired group. All right.